Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the code function inside of Microsoft Excel. So the code function is pretty simple. So what exactly it does, it will return a numeric code for the first character in a text string. So for the purpose of this video and to be able to verify if it works well, what I have did is I have created a little table right here in which we are going to have a number that will appear and we are going to have the character that will be associated with that number. So if we try it out and let's say we enter 50, the character associated with 50 will be the number 2. Let's enter something that will give us a letter. So let's say it's going to be 75. So the character will be K. All right, now we know that the character K is associated with the number 75. Now, if for example I don't have that number 75 here and I just have the character K and I want to know what is the number of the character K, how can I get it? So this is where I'm going to use the code function. So the way it's going to work is pretty simple. We are going to start by writing down our equal sign right here and then we can just write down code. Now, once we have our code, what's going to happen is that we can enter the element that is the character for which we are looking for. So in this case, we are looking for the character K and we want to know what is the number of the character K. So if we click on run, we are going to have the number 75. So just like that, we know that the number for the character K is 75. If, for example, I want to change it, so let's just instead of here 75, I'm going to enter 100. So it's going to be D. So I know just like that, D will be the character that is used right here. So if, for example, I take the function away and I enter, let's say, I will be able to know that the character I is associated with the code 73. So if I enter 73 here, I will be able to have the character I that will appear in a cell in which we have that function. So this is how you use the code function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.